Okay. Here we go. Zippo. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to hold it in my left hand. Just to show you. Alright, this is my Zippo. Yes. This is Zippo. I don't know if you can see it right now. There you go. It says Zippo. Alright. I'm going to teach you a trick. Alright. So, this is the back of the Zippo. Okay. You put two fingers right here on the back of the cap, one on the bottom. Alright. And then you'll squeeze in an action as, like, see, you'll squeeze and turn. So, mainly what it is just a squeeze and turn, and it makes the cap open. Okay. So, next trick, it's kind of weird, but whatever. You put your thumb on the back, like that, not touching the cap. There's different ways you can do it, but put your finger like that. Alright, and you'll take your middle finger, pop the cap, come back down. And there you go. Yeah, here's a trick that I made, but you'll take the Zippo forward, take your ring finger, pop it down, turn it like that, stuck in between those two fingers, light. So it'll come out like this. Yep, that's it.